Good morning, Anna, and good morning, everyone.
Good,
Happy
good.
Happy Monday or Tuesday, wherever you're at.
Yeah, happy to have you here right now, sir. Yeah. So we have the audience here. We got you here, so we are good to go. Yeah. So hello, Polkadot community, and I am your host, Anna from Polkadot Insider. And today we just so excited to have on its space a very cool project on Moonbeam network, which is Beamswap. And Beamswap is a decentralized exchange with an automated market maker and providing liquidity in peer-to-peer transactions. But Beamswap is much more than just a DEX. If you want to find out, stay to the end. And in case you first know about Polkadot Insider, so we are a channel updating news, data analytics, real-time data, and research about projects to support retail investors' views when they invest in the Polkadot and QSMI ecosystem. So going through the MA today, we have the opportunity to talk with a very core team member from Beamswap who's going to share with us what's so potential, what's so unique about Beamswap, and also what are upcoming exciting things that we should follow up with Beamswap. Yeah. So no more words, let's start. So to kick off the atmosphere, sir, can you tell us something more about yourself and also Beamswap and how you became involved in Polkadot? Yeah.
Well, my name is Jay. I work for Beamswap as a business developer. But as you stated, Beamswap is a DEX and AMM on Moonbeam network, which allows users to exchange assets. In terms of my background, though, I first came into Beamswap as an early investor. I loved the UI. I loved the user experience, the community, and what Moonbeam had to offer. Eventually, I became a community moderator and ultimately became part of the core team as a business developer.
Wow, that's very interesting. Yeah, to get to know more about yourself and also a general picture about what Beamswap is doing about. Yeah, and that's kind of make us really down to hear more about Beamswap. Yeah. So we kind of curious why Polkadot and in integration with Polkadot, so with Moonbeam and in specifically, so what features do you guys inherit the most? What are the most core benefits there that it's very like that means a lot to your project's growth?
Well, when it comes to Moonbeam and how it works on providing growth for our platform, one of the advantages of a platform like Moonbeam is its EVM compatibility, which allows projects with existing infrastructure to easily deploy into the Polkadot universe, as well as getting Polkadot's security layer interoperability. Also, with the Moonbeam network, we will be utilizing connected contracts that will unlock new possibilities for users and enhancing the overall experience.
Wow, so that's the story behind this integration, and that's very interesting to know as well. And we know that Moonbeam it's a very good fit for Beamswap. Yeah, we can obviously see that. So we know that competition is always hard. Yeah. So compared to other projects building the same thing in the ecosystem, what makes Beamswap really stand out? And also, what are some core benefits for user when they swap on your platform?
In terms of a DEX, Beamswap is working on ways that we can continuously evolve and elevate the DeFi experience. Apart from being a DEX, we also have things like BeamShare, which offers rewards for users staking GLINT, as well as a Beam shareholder, you get access to certain pool offerings, allowing users to gain exposure to new projects deploying in the ecosystem. In addition to that, we also have an exclusive launchpad, which Beam shareholders will be able to help help participate in the launchpad events for new projects coming online in the ecosystem. In addition, you'll also have future governance with BeamShare. But Beamswap is also going through some major changes at the moment, as we were awarded a portion of the grants through Moonbeam's ecosystem grant, which allows us to bring things like V3 concentrated liquidity and the first perpetual DEX in Polkadot, Beamex.
That
We will also be adding some, I was going to say, we're also going to be adding some other updates along the way, but what truly makes Beamswap unique is our resilient community and has continued to grow over the course of the last year and a half.
Yeah, of course. That's gonna be the community that means a lot to Beamswap. Yeah, and also Beamswap really stands out with a lot of cool features. And it's like we're gonna have a lot of upcoming things coming up, but we're gonna talk more about them later on in the AMA. Yeah. So about the feature again, as you just mentioned, the Beamex beta. So could you share more details about this feature? So what are the key advantages of Beamex that will enhance the DeFi experience in the Polkadot?
Well, with the launch of Beamex beta right now, it'll be ushering a new experience for users on Moonbeam and Polkadot, allowing them to execute futures trading on the network. Users can also see benefits from things like lower emissions to limit orders, leverage trading, efficiency, and enhanced user experience.
Wow, a lot of good benefits there. Yeah, I definitely believe that users would love these new things on their experience with Beamswap. Yeah, that's very cool. So currently, what assets can be traded on Beamex Beta on a Moonbase alpha tested? And can we know about the period of beta phase? And how long do you guys intend to mainnet this feature?
Users are going to be able to long and short assets from Bitcoin, Ethereum, DOT, USDC, as well as GLIMR. Well, right now, currently, we have a trading competition going on where users can go head to head for their chance to win from a $1,500 prize pool, just by executing trades longing and shorting on Beamex Beta. We also have our Beamex campaign powered by Airlift. Definitely check that out, where users can also win some really, really cool prizes. But right now, we've been going through some extensive testing on Beamex, and we will be going through audits and should be on the horizon, so make sure to keep an eye out.
Wow, that's very cool. And we kind of have a really cool cooperation here, cooperation with Airlift. Yeah. And we'll definitely, yeah, keep an eye on this one. Yeah, definitely. So, yeah, if you want to add any details in it.
Yeah, so at least with the Airlift campaign, users can, one, they can apply for following some of our social tasks to get some entries to win their share of a $1,500 prize pool, as well as completing some of the on-chain tasks on Moonbase Alpha for more entries for their chance to win. So I would definitely encourage users to check that out, as well as participate in the trading competition, as your participation also helps us battle test on testnet. So
Wow, that's attractive. Yeah, check it out, guys, and I think you're not gonna regret it. Yeah. So, if I was a GLINT holder, a native token of your project, so how can I interact with them on your platform, and any core benefits there for a GLINT token holders?
well, I did explain earlier that with being a glint holder or a beam shareholder, users can stake their glint to in exchange for beam share, where they will be able to earn rewards, as well as other offerings, from cert pool offerings to launchpad events, as well as future governance. But with the launch of Beamex as well, Beam shareholders will also be receiving a portion of the fee from the DEX just by holding share. Also, we are expecting to have some new features rolling out along with Beam Share, so make sure that you guys stay tuned to our announcement channels and our socials for updates. And of course, Polkadot Insider.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And that's really cool. A lot of new features coming up with this one, and we'll definitely wait for them. Yeah. So, talking a little bit about achievements. So can you share with us some of the most notable, considerable milestones, accomplishments from Beamswap so far?
Well, we've had quite a bit of accomplishments. It's kind of hard to pick one, but we've continuously been the #1 held project on the network and have been one of the most influential projects in Polkadot and Moonbeam. But if I had to pick one right now, it was winning the Moonbeam ecosystem grant, as our team has put so much work into Beamswap as well as Beamex, and we can't wait to help further grow the ecosystem and continue to do so.
Oh, that was really, really cool. Yeah. And good luck on your next journey. And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of the accomplishments coming up with Beamswap. I mean, I know that all of them are very impressive. Yeah. So it's time for us to look forward to the future. So what are the upcoming plans for Beamswap to grow, maybe in the rest of 2023 or even further? Can you share with us some details about this one?
Well, right now, the biggest things that I would say on our roadmap that are the focal point is the deployment of V3 concentrated liquidity, and as well as Beamex, which are our biggest focuses for the roadmap currently. But we also have some other developments underway. So make sure to, like I said, keep an eye out, because we do have a lot of new features that are going to be rolling out soon, and we can't wait to share them with everyone.
Yeah, we can wait for all of them to release as well. Yeah, the concentrated liquidity, the Beamex, gonna have a lot of new things, yeah, coming up, and we're definitely excited about it already. Yeah. How about partnership? We kind of curious about some partnership of a project. So especially with Beamswap, so can we expect any potential partnership from you guys in the near future?
I'm like, yes, there are going to be some new partnerships underway that will be revealed in the short term. Like I said, there's some things that I gotta keep under wraps, hush hush, but as soon as we can, we'll let you guys know.
Oh, that's fine, sir. We love surprise. We love surprise. So just keep it there and give a good surprise. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Anna over here looking for the alpha, I see.
Okay. So, for the last question, I think it's kind of relaxing compared to others. Yeah, if you think so. Yeah. So if you have to say 3 words or 3 sentences to express what you're proud of Beamswap, so what are those, sir?
Well, like I said, community is one of the biggest things for Beamswap, as well as just the Moonbeam ecosystem. So when it comes to just the sense of pride that I have, me personally, is like community is everything in Web3. And what's important is that it all starts with you as users, as builders, advocates, etc. You are the future of blockchain and Web3.
Oh, that's really lovely words. Yeah, the community stands first, and that's totally makes sense. Yeah. So it's kind of tell us what the Beamswap is focused on. That's the community. And yeah, we really appreciate what Beamswap it's been doing. It's been serving and contributing to the community so far. Yeah, we all appreciate that a lot. Yeah. So I think it's all about the questions today. Yeah. And so before we say goodbye, do you have any words left? Do you have any announcements left for our listeners today, sir?
No, I just really want to, take the time to say thank you to everyone that attended to this AMA. I know we had some technical difficulties earlier, but I'm glad you guys made it, and thank you for listening. And be sure to check out Beamswap as well as our Beamex beta and participate.
Yeah, thank you, sir, a lot, and thank you, and also Beamswap for giving Polkadot Insider a chance to have you in space. We have a lot of good information. Although we got a lot of secrets there. Yeah, a lot of things haven't, revealed yet, but we love it. Yeah. So guys, we have a lot of upcoming things that it's from Beamswap. So please stay tuned. Yeah. And also thank you everyone for joining us today. We hope that you just had a relaxing time with us. Yeah. And we're gonna have a recap video about it. And also if you want to hear information again, just do not hesitate to play the recording on our Twitter page. Yeah. So I think it's all about today. I had a good time and I hope that you just did. Yeah, so it's time for us to say goodbye. So goodbye everyone, goodbye sir, and have a nice day.